This 5-tier HOOBRO shoe rack offers generous capacity for everyday families, comfortably holding a wide range of footwear in a compact footprint by the door or in a closet. The combination of a warm greige top and matte black metal frame gives it a subtle industrial look that fits easily into modern, rustic, or transitional spaces without feeling bulky. Adjustable metal mesh shelves can sit flat or at an angle, so it handles everything from sneakers and sandals to high heels and short boots without shoes sliding off. The sturdy metal frame and thick particleboard top feel solid in use, with weight limits that are more than adequate for a full load of shoes, plus keys, bags, or decor on the upper surface. Thoughtful touches like the open mesh design help air circulate around shoes, which is especially useful for athletic pairs that need to dry out between wears. Assembly is straightforward with clearly labeled parts and improved instructions, so even one person can put it together quickly, without frustration.